If you have any areas in your home that always seem to be out of control, then today's challenge is for you. Because today we're going to tackle a hot spot. A hot spot is any flat area where clutter just seems to always pile up. So today for day 6 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to tackle one or more of these, depending how long it takes. So set a timer for 2 minutes, go to the hot spot that is bothering you the most or the one that you see more often and start decluttering those items. Anything that is visibly garbage, be sure to throw it in the garbage. Anything that you have no use for, donate it, and everything that you still want but it's just sitting out there, be sure to designate a home for it. We have to move fast here. Let's get some quick decisions going. Don't forget to put some fun music and let's go get those hot spots put out. Okay, so now that our hotspot is all clear, be sure to add that to your freebie that you got on Friday as one of the things we are to do every single morning and every single afternoon. If you haven't printed out your freebie just yet, you can find it on Friday's video in the description down below, or you can go to buildherhome.com and find it over there as well. So now every single morning we are adjusting to shoes and clearing off a hotspot, and every single evening we are shining our sinks and clearing off another 2-minute hotspot as well. The whole entire day, we are to be making sure that those negative words that creep into our minds, we turn them around and turn them into kind words, along with looking at those kind words and phrases and Bible verses we have printed out or written down as well. Be sure to keep looking at those sticky notes to remind you to shine your sink and dress the shoes. Don't forget to comment done once you finish your hotspot to be entered for a chance to win. And I'll see you tomorrow on day 7 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.